Okay, can we start?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Very good morning, everyone. Okay, and assalamualaikum and very good morning. So today's session, we are going to learn about the guide on how to get 3D model and how can we use the 3D model object and the animation inside the Unity. So in the last class, Kak Tira already thought about storyboard, right? So storyboard, so it's essential part, which is you're gonna have to work with the client after this. So storyboard will be the main parts of your project. Okay. So today I will teach about how you can get a 3D object, which is for the medic. You can get a reproductive system, the blood circulation system. So all we can find on the internet actually. So you can find the free one or you can buy it if your client have a modal untuk dibeli. Okay. So okay, let's start. So open your Unity. Your previous project. Okay, nampak tak screen? Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Alright. Okay, semua buka Unity yang hari tu punya. Okay, so okay, in Unity we have many different things we can add. Actually, when we play with an augmented reality, so AR and animation and also video play an important roles, which is we can add, kita boleh ubah, we can change the animation. Actually, from the animation from the internet, we take from the internet and then we can ubahkan dia, kita boleh create another new animation using the 3D model if you have the rig filter, right? So okay, so there's a lot of space. There's a lot of in the website we can search for the free 3D internet. So first, actually in Unity itself, it has the store, which is consists of 3D model, the coding, the video. Alright. So in the window, as you can see in the window tabs, you can see there's this asset store. So you can click it, and then it will pop up another tabs besides animator. So everyone, if you have any question or do you want me to stop to ask, just open your mic and ask, okay? So and then you take out this tab, make it large. All right, in here, you'll see there's a lot of things. And then this asset, we have 3D, we have 2D, we have texture and material, we have templates, we have animation, and a lot of templates we can use. And also games, we can also search for games. Okay. In 2D games, right? Yes. This is free, you know, 2D game kits. So you can all find, this is the best. This is why we use Unity, because it has its own store, which is very convenient to us. but the objective we are here because of the 3D. So search for the 3D object. Or you can search here. Just click this 3D object. And then find what you want. So it's okay, anything you want. So for example, we use the exactly all the same. We use this character pack free sample. So semua jumpa tak? Dapat tak sampai sini? Sekejap, tak nampak lah kat Google Meet. Okay, semua dah buka Unity?
Boleh ulang tak?
Okay, first, okay, dah dekat Unity. Okay, at Unity, there's this window tabs. Okay, window tabs. And then it says at the fifth column, I don't know, asset store. Okay, just click the asset store. And then another tab will open. Okay, asset store. And then just drag anywhere, just drag at the center, and then it will maximize the tabs. And then click maximize. So in here, you will see an asset store view. Okay, dapat tak sampai sini? Did you get it from here?
Yes.
Okay.
Right.
Alright, Jun. Okay, then in here, click 3D. Okay, there's a lot of 3D object in here. You can choose anything, which is of course ada yang bayar, ada yang free, ada yang murah. Okay, so you can sort by popularity or price low to high. Price low to high, so dia akan tunjukkan yang free dulu lah, yang free and then yang berbayar. Okay, for our example, we gonna use is this character pack. Do you see the character pack? This boy, little boy. Okay, semua jumpa tak?
Jumpa.
Okay. Ada yang tak jumpa? Heba, do you get it?
Oh, yes, I did.
Alright. Okay, at this point, at the blue button here, you can import directly through the Unity. Just click import. So sebab saya dah download, so dia akan tulis import lah. Kalau yang belum nanti dia akan download dulu. Dan lepas download, click import. So this because I have downloaded it yesterday. So for the new, it will show that it will say download. After you click download, and then it will show import. So after you have done downloading, click import, and then just import this 3D object to the Unity. Okay, wait a minute. So bolehlah try search kalau ada pasal gitar ke pasal medik punya badan ke kan, kalau ada. So after you importing, and then you will see this new folder, which is the 3D object Super Kian character pack free sample. Okay. Okay, semua dah habis download? Okay, saya tunggu sekejap Okay. Okay, in this 3D model, there's a lot of folder included, which is the animations, the animator controllers, the do you have guys learns animation yet? Not yet. Not yet, right?
This seven.
Oh, this sem eh? Oh, okay, okay. Animation dalam Unity belum lagi kan?
No.
Okay, okay. So animation controller, materials, model, prefabs, scenes, script, shader and texture. So the most important thing is model, animation, material, texture. So script ni just tambahan lah, additional. So it comes with the template scene, which is demo scene. You can click and try to play with it. This is the boy. And you click play. So this is the scene that made by the creator. So we can play with it. Sorry. So boleh berjalan. So we can use this as a, right now this is not in the AR environment. So we can add this, and how can we add this to our AR environment? Which is when we scan our marker, it will pop up this boy. So add your scene. Okay, this is my marker, the kayu-kayu ni. So at the super can, go to the model, just drag into the image target. So you can see this is the model, right? So why it show the color of the gray? Because we not yet put the texture and the material into this person, which is included in the folder, the texture and the material. So just click and then free male body, just drag into this boy, and then this head just drag into this. So it'll become the 3D model. Okay, dapat tak semua sampai sini? Ada yang nak saya ulang?
Ulang.
Okay, sure. Alright, first kali, okay, saya delete lah. From the super can ni, daripada kita punya, okay, semua dah habis download. Okay, after we have downloaded it, so there's this another folder, additional folder, which is at your asset. This section asset, it will show that SuperCAN character pack after you have done importing. So at your image target, you have your own 3D object, right? So like me, the square one. So saya ada tunjuk tutorial kan yang saya letak square kan. So jangan buang. Ni sebab saya nak try je. Don't delete it. So just tick this at the inspector part. Just click this tick button. So it will just unvisible kan dia. Dia akan hilangkan sekejap dari kita punya scene. Tapi masih ada. At the image target, we still have the 3D object, but we make it visible, make it invisible. Okay. So at the SuperCAN, at the asset section, click it, and then at the model, drag the model into the image target. Okay, semua dapat? Okay tak? Dapat tak?
Dapat.
Dapat Okay. why this person is grey? Kenapa dia berwarna kelabu? Disebabkan because of we doesn't have put the material, the texture yet. So go to at the supercan at this character folder. This is a material folder. Okay, use sama je dua-dua ni, high quality, and then drag the free male. So you can see this below here, free male one body. So click this and drag to the body of this boy, and then this head, click this to this boy head. Okay, semua dapat?
Okay.
Alright. Okay, so after tu lah, sebab saya tak boleh nak tunjuk dekat saya punya kamera, saya tak tahu kenapa. Sekejap, saya try tutup kamera saya. Still nampak saya punya screen?
Nampak.
Nampak Okay. Sekejap, saya try play. Okay, cun. So when we scan the marker, so it will pop up the 3D model lah, yang apa yang kita download tu. Okay. So kenapa dia gelap? Sebab lighting lah. Nanti lighting tu kita akan jalanin kelas lah. Lighting ni agak leceh sikit. Okay. Alamak. Right. So, okay, for the animation from the asset store. Okay. Alright, from the animation from the asset store. Laju sangat ke?
Saya dah install tau, lepas tu tak ada. Kenapa?
Tak ada. Dekat asset ke? Cuba check balik pergi dekat asset store. Alright, go to asset store. Okay, I will try to review balik ajar balik, try. Alright, from this asset store, go to this 3D object, so you can find anything 3D, and then sort of. Okay, this sort by, just go to price low to high, and then this super can something, just click, and then click import. Okay, after you click import, and then you're done. Nanti import sebab kita dah import. And then dia akan keluarkan folder baru dekat asset ni, super can. Ada tak? Siapa yang tanya tadi? Siapa yang tanya tadi? Ada tak? Dah okay.
Ada.
Ada Okay. So basically macam tu lah. Okay, okay, saya akan jalanin yang lain. Heba, do you get it?
Yes, but I have one problem where I cannot put the material when I drag it.
You cannot put the material, alright. So okay. So another way you can, okay, from this free mail, okay, the one that cannot put the material, free mail, you click this arrow to the right, and then you will see basic rig and the C-Man 1 FBX 2003. Click this, and then you click at the folder of material, click this C-Man 1 FBX. So you drag this free mail one body material to this material inside element 0 and then hit at the element 1. Can you try it? Okay, Heba, did you get it?
Yeah, but it still didn't work.
Oh, it still didn't work.
Yeah.
Do you use the same 3D model?
Yeah.
This
M1.
model pack.
Yes, same.
Okay. If cannot, just delete this model. So there's another way. Delete this model, and then go to prefabs. Okay, go to prefabs, and then simple movement, high quality, and then just drag this prefab to the image target. Okay, is it okay?
Oh, yeah, it worked.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. Okay. Okay, dekat sini ada banyak folder lain, which is you can explore nanti. Okay, so I will teach about the how to get it first lah kan. Okay, animation tu saya akan ajar lepas ni. So macam tu lah. So that's how we can use asset store to add 3D model or anything you want to this game scripting. So basically that. So you can try to find your suitable 3D object to add on your apps. So basically what is important is the 3D model, the material, the texture. So material, texture, 3D model, and animation is a additional trait lah untuk awak. Kalau ada tu lebih baik lah. Kan? Nanti saya akan ajar lah bahagian animation, okay? So second one, which is free3d.com. Ya, saya paste kat ni free3d.com. So dekat okay, in here you can find almost banyak jugalah dia bagi 3D punya file free kan. Just click this free 3D models and then you can find anything. So dekat sini dia akan bagi tahu lah trait-trait yang ada macam this kalau nak cari yang animated, if we want to find the animated 3D object, just click this animated tabs at the free 3D model and we show this. So many, okay? You can find. So, okay. Let's try this. So if you have this, okay, dekat sini, it's totally free. You doesn't have to have the account or anything. Just you go to this website and you click download and then just download it. Okay, simple as that. And then this is another one, which is the turbo potong yang laju, turbo squid. Tapi yang ni kebanyakannya kena ada account lah. Yang selebih yang saya akan bagi tahu ni, turbo squid. Okay, bookmark nanti boleh nak pakai lain kan. Just bookmark, click here. Just bookmark your 3D site. CGT Trader. This also one of the place we can download it. CGT Trader, alright. Copy. Paling best sekali dekat free 3D tu lah. The most convenient ones at the free3d.com lah. Right. So we can try to Okay, how can we export from this? So okay, I will ulang balik. Okay, at free3d.com. Okay, all go to the free3d.com. Okay, dekat free3d.com, search for this, click free 3D models. And then at the top of the free 3D model, which is, you can click this animated 227, which is included as many as 227 model that is animated, free animated. Or click this alien animal update, so we can use this animal. Okay, download. And then in here, so if the format, Unity format is available, you can just use your Unity format like this .unity. So we can use this. So this is the most convenience. So kalau ada FBX ke OBJ ke format-format yang lain, kalau ada Unity, download yang Unity. So okay. So OBJ ni if tak ada lah kan, OBJ and FBX. So click this Unity also can. So it will download. Okay, semua dah download. Okay, kita download lah Dekat free 3D models, animated, cari yang raksasa ni. Alien animal update in Blender. Alright. So, try jap. Okay, after that, extract your downloading file. You will see this alien animal file, Unity package file. And then just double click the Unity package. So it will import all the assets from the file.
Tak habis download lagi.
Okay.
Sufi, jangan laju sangat. Kesian diorang terkial-kial nak buat.
Baik. Okay, tak apalah, saya tunggu semua download dulu.
Nak tanya yang tadi tu kan, kenapa dia gelap
Yang mana yang lelaki tadi ke?
Yang lelaki tadi.
Oh, yang lelaki tadi. Oh, dia gelap sebab ni, kita punya cahaya ni. Okay, sebenarnya actually, saya bagi sikit lah sebab cahaya, kita punya topik cahaya tak masuk lagi. Nampak tak bila kita when we click the, why the boy, if you have the boy that have burn, macam orang terbakar kan, just click at the directional light. Tengok tak dia punya directional light tu pergi ke mana? So dia pointing towards the boy. So you can click at the directional light and then rotate the directional light to the, you can rotate until the boy is cerah lah. Sebab semalam dia jadi macam ni kan. Sebab cahaya tu dekat belakang. So bahagian belakang dia yang terang. So at the back. So you can click at the directional light, and then all the way to the face of the boy. So click image target. So the boy tu dah terang. Okay, dapat tak yang tu?
Dapat.
Okay, Chen. Okay. Kalau if I'm macam mana cakap if terlaju ke berhenti ke saya pun tak tahu. Itulah sebab tak nampak korang kan. Okay. Okay. So okay, semua yang alien tadi dah dapat dah? Semua dah habis download?
Dah.
Dah.
Ada yang tak habis lagi? Heba, have you download the alien animal?
Oh, yes, already.
Alright. Have you
Sufi, I think Farah having a problem there.
Farah?
Yeah. She's having a problem with her Unity.
Problem apa ya?
I forward to our group.
Could not establish connection. Maybe sebab internet tu bro.
Farah, are you there?
Yes, Prof.
So you're the one who sent me the message, right?
Maybe sebab internet okey ke kat bawah? Okey eh?
Okey, dia lambat sikit tapi okey.
Okey, jap. Cuba tengok firewall awak ada ni ke block Unity daripada
Dia kena off eh?
firewall tu dia tak payah off, cuma takut firewall tu dah block awak punya Unity kot. Tahu tak kat mana firewall?
Sekejap, saya cari kat setting.
Okay.
Dia kena buat apa?
Cuba cari bahagian-bahagian Unity tu ada tak dia block ke? Dekat bahagian-bahagian dekat sini. Bila awak tekan firewall tu.
Sekejap. Okay.
Okay. Dekat allow and apps or features through window firewall ni.
Allow and apps. Okay.
Cuba awak cari bahagian Unity. Ada tak?
Ada.
Dia tulis apa
Dia kena untick ke?
Dia kena untuk private dan public.
Tick dulu.
Tick dulu.
Dah.
Okay. Cuba awak restart balik, awak try. Tak pun awak tutup firewall awak ataupun buat balik.
Okay, saya try. Okay, sambung dulu. Kesian semua orang.
Tak apa. Lama lagi.
Ya, dia tengah on the way, tengah loading.
Okay. So sambil tu, okay. For the reminder, for the meeting So meeting for music team 11:30 and rehab team at 11. Okay. So music team dah kita anjatkan ke 11.30.
Okay, dah boleh dah.
Boleh dah?
Dah. Terima kasih.
Okay, sama. Okay, okay. So daripada awal ni belum ada lagi. Tak dapat lagi.
Tak apa. Saya ada tulis step sikit. Nanti kalau saya tak
Oh.
dapat, saya tanya.
Nanti Roger
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Alright. Okay, so in here you can just do the same things, which is just untick this boy. We can use it later. And then after you have done, click the alien animal. It will import at the Unity. And then the alien animal folder will appear. So semua dapat tak sampai sini? Sampai ada alien animal ni.
Dapat.
Okay, ada yang tak dapat? Okay, tak ada. Okay, so as always, drag this. Wow, besar sangat ni. Okay, jap. Okay, drag to the image target. Tapi dia papak gedabak gila. So kecil kan? Nampak tak? Sebesar alam ni kan? So drag down. So macam ni lah. Okay, so just kecil kan? Sorry. So small the animal. Make it animal small. And drag to the image target. So let's drag the alien animal to the image target and then you pop up. So, okay. Okay semua, okay saya tunggu je semua dapat sampai ada kecil sikit lah. Sorry. So I will wait for you to make it the animal small to fit your marker. Right? Okay. Okay, semua settle? Have you done? Belum lagi.
Belum, tengah kecil kan.
Okay, kecilkan dulu. You can also, if you find it difficult to search the point for the image target, you can scale it, scale to the desire, scale as your desire, which is okay. For the example, saya besarkan Okay, this example. So okay, saw big, and then the location is unknown right now. So go to the image target. So you can find the position for the marker is 000. So you can just 000 to the point and then just scale. Right. Okay, semua dapat?
Dapat.
Okay, ada yang tersangkut? Heba, do you get it?
Yeah, so far, okay.
All right. So at this point, so at the, okay, you click the alien animal FPX something, and then you show AA low. So you can drag the, okay, this already have the, so the texture already in the, okay, the texture already inside at the 3D model, so you doesn't have to do anything. Okay. Yep, let me see. So it's basically the same thing from the previous one, which is we take the boy, which is this boy, from the asset store, and then this alien animal FBX from the outside of Unity, which is at the free3d.com. And then if at the free3d.com, you can also add .fbx, .obj, which is this, I will show. Download, you can also add this fpx, obj, is the same things. But most important thing is it included the model, the model, which is the alien, and then the material and the texture. So these three is the most important thing you have to consider before downloading. Then you can see here, if it has the animated, yes, and it is the additional point. Okay, so ada animation lagi bagus lah. Texture, material, so okay, right. You can try, just search free 3D object, then so many website that I have not yet explored. So all 3DP, 3 model heaven, pixels quit. Right. So okay, that's all for 3D model. And then for the animation, I will teach the basic one. Okay, so I will use this boy as a reference, so you can just untick the alien animal. So make it the boy visible. Only the boy. So the alien tak payah. Alright, from here, okay. So this is agak leceh sikit, tricky sikit. Okay, so this animation part is very leceh kata. Okay, if you take a look at this boy folder, Superkian character pack free sample, the animation, okay, you can see this. You click this, it show backward run. So if you play it will run backward. So this is the animation. All the animation included is this model and the animation. This is the model and the animation. Okay. So this is for the back run. This is for the slow walk back. This is for the duduk diam, idle. This is jump down and then walk. It will walk. And then this is the animation controller. So all the animation in that particular folder, which is animation folder, it will include it in the all controller, which is the free animation controller. Sebelah dia, animation controller. All the animation in here are all included in the controller. So you can click. We'll show this. I will not explain detail in animation because this is just the guideline. So on how we can play with the animation. So in the animation class, I will teach about the detail on how the animation works in Unity. Okay. So for these classes, I will only just tell this is the animation file. And why this boy is gray? Because this only the animation file. How it animate the boy. Sorry. Okay. Okay, sorry. Okay, this is the animation, and then this is the controller. So I will teach later on. So as you right now, you know how to add the 3D object from the asset store, which is this. And then from the outside of the Unity, at the website. So the animation. Okay, first of all, drag this free animation controller to the mail free. Yeah, I think it's already have. Okay, so in here you can see we have rigid body, we have capsule glider. Ada tak yang tak ada? There's anyone that the inspector part, you don't have this rigid body?
Me.
Tak ada kan? Okay, yang tak ada tak apa. Okay, so if you have this rigid body, you delete it. Just delete. Remove component. Because okay, why? This rigid body is if we take this supercam from the prefab. If we take this prefab file, and then you will have this rigid body. if you scan this, it will rigid body. We have the gravity of the file, so just delete it. No need to have it in the AR scene. And then at the animation controller, which is at the SuperCAN character pack free sample ni, ada animation controller, right? This. Siapa yang tak ada, if you doesn't have one at this inspector, which is this animator, you can drag pre-animator to this bagian. Alright, so add component. Okay, semua ada tak animator ni?
Saya tak ada.
Tak ada.
Tak
Okay.
Tak ada.
Tak ada. Okay. Okay, jap. Okay. Okay, go to this free animator controller and drag the animator controller to this inspector. Nampak tak? Okay, semua dapat? Free animator controller.
Lagi sekali.
Dapat.
Sekali lagi
Sekali.
Okay. Dekat folder, okay, sorry. In the folder of the SuperCAN character pack free sample ni, we have this animator controller folder. Click it and then free animation controller. Okay, click at this boy, at this image target, click, and then it will show the inspector. And drag the free animator to this side, to the inspector bawah ni, dekat bahagian bawah ni. So dia akan letak ni lah animator. Okay, dapat?
Dapat.
Right. So, dekat bahagian, okay, sorry. Okay. Okay, drag the avatar of the, jap. Dulu. Alright. So at this animator, click at this dot button at the hujung of the avatar. At the end of the avatar, there's a small button, small dot. Click it, and then you will see common people impose avatar. See it? Okay, click. And then it will show this as my screen lah. Okay, semua dapat sampai sini?
Dapat.
Dapat Eba, do you get it?
Yes.
Alright. Common people, impose free animation, impose avatar. Alright. So, what we do right now is this animator, which is this, control all the animation that we will put in here. So, for example, okay, we try to walk. So, if you see at the bottom of my window, you can see the person is walking. So, okay, try to find the walk FBX. So, the second last one, this folder, this boy, the second last, you can see at the bottom is asset and then blah blah blah. People at walk. So yang ni adalah yang walk. This is the walk animation. Click this arrow Okay, add the animator. Don't forget to click the animator. So siapa yang tak ada, if anyone doesn't have this animator part, is go to window, animation, animator. So it will pop up at the tab. Okay. Siapa yang tak ada animator ni? Semua ada animator at the tepi games. Right. So at this walk.fbx, drag down the walk. This is the animation. This triangle and then 3 dash beside it is the animation. Drag the walk to this animator. So you will see it will have the walk animation. Okay, semua dapat tak sampai sini?
Dapat.
Ada nak saya ulang?
Boleh ulang sekali lagi?
Okay, boleh. Okay, so first, dekat at the mail free sample movement, you have the animator, right? So the animator, we have done the controller, and then we have done the add the avatar of this boy, and then at this scene and then game. So animator, at this animator, you will see this particular arrow something box. Okay, so if you doesn't have the animator tabs, go to window and then go to the animation and then click the animator. So the animator will appear this, and then at the supercan folder, our boy folder, you will see this first folder is animation, right? And then you go one by one, you will see what is the name. It's below backward run.fbx. You can see backward walk. You can see idle. You can see jump down, and then you search for the walk, which is the last what we call last box, walks.fbx, and then you click the arrow. And then it will show what inside this animation. You will see this walk animation, this triangle, turquoise triangle. Drag the walk to this animator. Okay, dapat tak?
Dapat.
Alright. So after this, alright. So kita right now we have already add the walk animator to this walk animation to this animator controller. So what next we do is we need something to trigger the animation. So we add the button so that at the canvas, our canvas. Okay, so this is my canvas. So at the canvas, what we call this canvas drop down, and then add another button. Right click canvas, UI, and add another button. Okay, this button just don't forget to click the 2D button to simply use it, and then drag down anything you want. I think down here is okay. Okay, drag, then drag this. Okay, the button, and then rename the button, which is just add walk. Okay, so I will wait until you finish adding button. So right click at the canvas, UI, add buttons, and then track down to the below. So the purpose of we add the button is when we click the walk button, when we scan the AR, it will walk at the top of the marker. So the animation of the, I will not explain. I will explain later in the another classes. So this is the first step on how can we add the animation to the marker, all right, to the AR environment. So have you done this walk button? Okay, ada yang nak saya ulang?
Ulang.
Okay. So first, okay, saya buang dulu. First kali dekat kita punya, okay, sekarang when we click the image target, it will see the, it will bring us to the AR environment, which is fine, okay. And then click at the canvas. So this is our phone, what we look. So we click the game, you will see this particular area, which is when we scan the AR, this will pop up. Okay. When we click play, this will open right now. Okay, this will open. This back augmented reality, and then the what we scan lah. Okay, so that's the canvas. So at the canvas, go to scene back, canvas, right click, UI. Okay, right click canvas, go to the UI, and then go to the button. Okay, this button. Okay, click to the toggle to the scenes, and then zoom in. Just mouse your using your wheel mouse, and then drag this click move tool, drag down to the below, and then drag this to the what we call X to the all the bucu of the all the edges of the button. So dapat tak?
Dapat.
Right. So button ni, click the right button, and then it will show the text. So rename the text to the walk. So the purpose of we do this because, okay, when we click the game scene, so this is the button. So when we click the button, say, okay, when we play this, okay, when we scan, and then we click the walk button, and then the 3D object that we put the boy will walk. Alright. So semua dapat? Ada yang nak saya ulang? Alright, tak ada. Okay, Chun. Alright. Alright. Okay, right now, after that, okay. At this on click, okay, dekat button ni, okay, kita rename lah button ni, senang. Walk. Okay. Rename, you can click this button, right click and rename. So walk button, and then dekat on click, apabila kita tekan on click, when we click this button, what the event will trigger this when we click this button. So add, and then this is object, non-object. You can drag the male free simple movement, which is the boy. Drag this male free simple movement to the walk button. Click the walk button, and then it will become blue. So drag the male free simple movement to the on click. And then, okay, we show something like this. And then this function, okay, drag the email free simple movement, which is the boy, drag to this walk button on the on click. Just click plus here. You will see the list is empty. You click plus and then drag the mail free simple movement. And then at the event trigger, we will use the game object and on the animator. No function, click this button and then all the way down to the animator and then play string. Display string. Dia ada banyak ni. Play in bracket string. Click. Okay, dapat tak sampai sini?
Dapat.
Okay, dapat. Ada yang tak dapat? Heba, do you get it?
Yes.
Alright. So, from here, okay, ada nak saya ulang?
Ulang.
Okay, ulang dari mana?
Yang nak hantar, yang nak drag mail simple movement tu pergi on click tu.
Okay. So, okay, saya buang dulu. Okay, sampai dekat canvas, bila kita dah siap walk button, okay, after we have done creating the walk button, and then you click the walk button, click so until the blue line comes, and then you see that in the inspector, you drag down below, you will see on click, this on click, click this plus button, and then okay, it will show none object is been dragged yet. So at the same inspector, drag this mail free simple movement. Don't double click, don't let the inspector change. Walk button, just drag mail free simple movement to the none object. Okay. So from the mail simple, after you have done dragging it, add the function, go to the animator, and then play string. Okay. Saya ulang. Kat ni no function. Click and then at the animator, play in bracket string. Alright. Dapat tak? Okay, semua dapat sampai sini?
Dapat.
Ya, dapat. Alright, so add the animator. So tengok nama dia. Okay. See the name of the animation is walk, which is WALK, and the W is not capital letter. So exactly what this name, and then we go to the walk button back. This animator, this blanks box, just type walk. Okay. Based on the animator we have transfer, which is walk, and then type walk. Okay, so the function is when we click the walk button, so the mail free simple movement, which is this, will walk. Animator play, so dia akan playkan animation tu adalah animation walk. So when we click this walk button, alright. So when we play, saya tunjuk. So it will walk. Tapi Muhammad ni kelab lah. So, okay, you can try. Okay, ada yang tak berjalan tak? Ke semua berjalan? Okay, buat dulu.
Berjalan.
Jalan, bagus. So bolehlah okay, you can try to play with the animation. So you can, for example, go to animator and then this walk. We have done the walk animation and you can try to search for the wave. This is lambaian high. Okay. The wave sign high. Okay. So you can drag the wave to the animator. Okay, wave. So you can change at the walk button. And then you can change the animator play, change to wave. And then when we play, so it will wave. Hi. So it will wave. Okay. Wave dia sekali je. So ada yang tak dapat?
Saya tak boleh tulis bawah yang animator play tu.
Animator play. Oh,
Kat tempat wave tu tak boleh tulis.
oh dekat ni. Play string ke? Tak boleh tulis. Sekejap. Boleh saya tengok skrin tak? Saya pun tak tahu apa.
Set now.
Wan Muhammad.
Saya ni nak share screen.
Present je.
Sufi tengah present.
Oh je.
Ni kan?
Okay.
Tak boleh tulis.
Tak boleh tulis Nah. Animator okay. Play string okay. Okay, memang tak boleh tulis ke?
Dah tekan keyboard kan tak boleh tak?
Yeah. Cuba tengok dekat free mail tadi.
Free mail?
Tengok dekat gambar budak tu.
Ya.
Ya. Kenapa tak boleh tulis?
Saya kena tutup balik baru buka. Saya kena tutup buka balik ke?
Tak ada kot. Tapi cuba try lah kot.
Alright.
Okay, ada yang if there's anyone who got problem until this stage, Eba, do you get it?
Yeah, I do.
Alright. So semua dapat? Adlin okay?
Tak okey sebenarnya tapi tak apa. Sebab dah jauh sangat.
Oh dah jauh sangat? Sampai mana
Tak apalah. Sebab memang jauh sangat.
Jauh sangat.
Tak apa nanti
Ada
saya
video
tengok.
kan kita orang boleh tengok balik.
Ada video, ada video. Siapa yang sama lagi?
Nak tanya macam ni kalau inspektor tu hilang ah?
Inspektor hilang.
Oh.
Okay, inspektor hilang. Go to window. Sekejap, saya present Okay, go to Windows. Dekat general ada inspector. Nampak tak?
Nampak.
Okay, jumpa. Okay, jumpa tak?
Tak, dia macam, sekejap. Macam nak cakap
Share lah screen.
Sekejap. Tak boleh
Sekejap.
share.
Sekejap, sorry.
Abang Sufi tak stop.
Okay, sorry. Okay.
Yang ni.
Okay.
Lepas bila yang tu dia hilang.
Dia hilang macam mana?
Ni garis tu.
Yang garis.
Maksudnya kalau dicantumkan button kan, dia punya, faham tak?
Oh, garis tu hilang.
Ah.
Oh, garis tu.
Macam mana ke?
Sekejap. Okay, cuba pergi dekat canvas balik. Okay, ni. Klik this ni. Dekat file, bawah file edit asset tu ada macam arrow ke bawah tu kan. Sebelah ada bentuk tangan.
Ni?
Belah dia, kanan dia.
Ni?
Move tool. Ada tak? Boleh move tak?
Dia tak ada benda tu.
Warna putih tepi-tepi tu
Tak ada.
Putih tepi-tepi je saya. Apa ya? Okay, sekejap saya share dulu. Sekejap Sekejap. Dekat bahagian sini ada ni tak, shading mode ni?
Shading mode. Dekat mana?
Dekat scene. Bawah situ ada shaded.
Sekejap, saya share screen lah.
Okay.
Mana?
Oh, sebab kotak ada besar-besar. Okay. Okay, tak betul. Okay. Sekejap, saya pun. Ya, saya. Sabarlah, tu nanti saya ni lah.
Okay.
Saya check balik nanti. Saya pun tak sure. Okay, selain tu ada lagi? Tak apa, video ada. Nanti Prof akan hantar video kat korang. Okay, so the Prof will send this session video. So nanti kalau ada apa-apa, if there's any question you want to ask, you can WhatsApp directly. So don't worry, this just a guideline. So in the animation class, nanti week, sekejap, I check. At week week 7. So week 7 we will learn on how to play around with the animation in the more advanced way. Okay. So this is just a guideline, so you can, just to show you, we can use the animation from the asset store and then from the outside of the Unity also to play in the main, or to use as our animation in the AR scene. So this is just guideline. So you can try to refer back to this video, this session. If you have any problem, just ask me, okay? So ada soalan? Do you have any questions?
Ada Bro Sufi.
Ada.
Apa Prof cakap apa? Okay, itulah, sorry kalau terlaju sangat. So itulah, tak nampak. I cannot see you in front of me. So tak tahu, selalu boleh nampak muka-muka pening masing-masing kan. Okay, tak apa. I try my best to, so kalau ada apa-apa, if you have any problem or anything, you can WhatsApp me. Okay. So about the canvas nanti saya akan Back to you lah balik. So okay, I will conclude about the session. So the first one is we can use the animation and the 3D object to at the free site. So if you want to use the free 3D object to use as your in your application, so you must check the requirement and so kadang-kadang ada yang tak bagi, kan, ada restriction, have a restriction, you cannot use to commercialize your product, and then you can use the animation. So the three important thing is 3D model before you search the 3D object, 3D model, the what we call material, the texture, and then the plus one is animation lah. So okay, kalau tak ada apa-apa soalan, if you don't have any question, so we will end the session. Okay, so Prof, ada apa-apa?
Tak ada, cuma kalau nak tamat sekali, don't forget to for the rehab team and music team, we have another link.
Oh, okay.